guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I am very excited because we get to share our new Christmas intro for 2018. This is a group effort between Tech Hubby and myself. I have created the image and he animated it for me and added the music, so I think that we make a great pair when it comes to crafty projects, and I thank him so much for all the hard work that he does behind the scenes to help me make Polly's a success. So this is the card we're creating today, and I'm using the Frosty Winter Christmas digital collage sheet that's from my shop, and some handmade flowers and beautiful trims from Really Reasonable Ribbon. So let's make this card together. I started by printing the Frosty Winter Christmas digital collage sheet from the shop. This is in the original size, and there are 8 gorgeous images here to print. I chose to cut off the border strip because my matting is gray. Otherwise, they're exactly as they come in the shop. And I have prepared also a card base with papers that coordinate with the cover so we can begin to layer on the top. Here is a gorgeous poinsettia pattern, and it is matted with a dove gray cardstock, and that helps to carry the shabby chic color scheme. Now I've got another layer of white to match the actual card base, and then more of that dove gray. I put this portion up on foam so that we can build some dimension, and I'm using wet glue just to add that right in the center. All these layers have an 1/8 of an inch border around so that it will be consistent throughout. Next, I have the first pattern paper of the race section, and this is just a very non-contrasting blue background. It's a little bit like a damask, but it will read as a solid. Now I've got this really sweet stripe with some flowers and some bells, and that will go right at the bottom. Next is a die cut doily in crisp white so that we can create a nice area for our image to go. So this is the image that I chose to use for this card, and I've got that double matting again, and I did use a little bit of stickles to bring out the details, and I'm just going to add that right in the center. I've got a flower arrangement here that I have pre-assembled. I've got the poinsettias from the Cinch and Go poinsettia die that have been stickled and glittered on the edges, and I've used some beautiful flower stamens from Really Reasonable Ribbon. These are also handmade flowers with just a small pearl center, and then a variety of die cut leaves and branches so that I can fill in that arrangement. I've also tucked in a couple of sweet little glittery stars. And I'm just going to add that right to the bottom corner here, making sure that none of it hangs off the edge. I'm just using a bit of hot glue to secure that in place. Last but not least, I'm going to add this sweet little bow with the pink plaid, some jingle bells, a second bow of twine just layered on top, and a tiny little silver skate charm, and that will go here at the top. So that is all for my Frosty Winter Christmas image card. If you enjoyed this project, please give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I wish you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!